What a nice, lovely day to rail fun. Oh, I saw something.
Hindi na kailangan, okay?
Wait a minute.
Pinadala ko na sa'yo lahat ngayon.
Saw something. Oh, look, it's a caboose.
Read back correct. Kailangan bahala mo na rito, Vanguard. Manonood na lang kami.
Kinderlo is the locomotive reversing the caboose.
Alexandra, ang gagaling ng mga to. Niload nila lahat ng gamit sa Armitage series. Hindi nagkaroon ng problema.
Wait. Wait a minute. Where's the locomotive? Wait, someone just used the handbrakes. What the?